Hello and welcome to Maintenance Monday with Technical Associates. I'm Julian Papczynski and I'm one of the vibration analysis instructors here. We have always been known as one of the leaders out there in the vibration analysis field, but I'd like to actually let you know that we have some other tools in our belt that deals with the predictive maintenance technologies, one of which is thermography or infrared camera inspections. We certainly do implement this. It's a very important facet of our business, and it's one of the safest things that a plant certainly can have incurred. I mention this because there are many insurance providers out there that recommend an annual inspection on their electrical assets. So it's highly important because what we look for upon these inspections are going to be loose or possibly faulty components that can lead to eventual failure. And unfortunately, with that temperature delta rise at those localized heating areas can lead to fires or possibly electrocution factors, which is something that we all need to actually take into consideration of high importance. And based on any findings or faults, if there are any that are found, will be detailed report, pinning in and honing into exactly what the problem is, its location, and how it needs to be fixed. So thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday. Once again, I'm Julian Papczynski, and stay with the leaders in the industry in the vibration world, Technical Associates of Charlotte. Thank you.